Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic of built-in exceptions and raising exceptions. Already we know what is exception. Exception is like an error, so which encounters the error. So by that we have the flow of exception errors. So by this we can accept different errors. Okay. So actually we have two types of exceptions. One is built-in exceptions and the second one is raising exceptions. So already we discussed different built-in exceptions. One is the division by zero error, division by zero error. Next, second one is type error. Next, third one is value error. Next, fourth one is index error. Next, fifth one is key error. Next, sixth one is file not found error. File not found error. And one more type of error is there, that is importing error. Importing error. So these are built-in exceptions. We should know what is built-in exceptions and raising exceptions. So built-in exceptions are generated automatically by Python. But raising exceptions are the exceptions which are generated manually. Means who is developing the code? So the user will generate the error by using the keyword raise. By using the keyword raise, we can generate errors. So those errors can be accepted by using the flow of exception. So the flow of exception is try. Next, accept. Next, else. Next, finally. So these four are the pillars of exceptions. So any error can be handled and accepted by these four keywords. So these four keywords acts like a four pillars while handling the errors. Okay. So whatever. So it may be built-in exception or it may be raising exception. So these type of exceptions can be handled by this flow. Okay. So here try is mandatory block and accept is also mandatory block. Else is optional and finally is optional. So here, we can raise the raising exceptions by using the keyword raise, and its syntax is we should use the keyword raise initially, and we should mention the type of error. So exception type. So we should write exception type. So next, followed by parentheses and error message. So we need to place the message. So here that is error message. So actually the error message is optional. So here raise keyword followed by exception type is the mandatory. So here the error is generated manually. So that is why this comes under the category of raising exceptions. So this raising exception can be handled again by the flow of exception. So by using try, accept, else and finally. So this flow is also applicable to the built-in exceptions. Okay. So these built-in exceptions and raising exceptions are very important. So to handle with the different case of programs. Okay. So while developing advanced programs, we need to handle different exceptions. So that may be automatically generated errors or that may be raising errors. So these raising errors are very important. So to develop different case of executions. So let us see one example. for the raising exception. So already we know built-in exceptions are created, generated automatically. We are not creating. So here we should know how to create how to generate the raising exception. Okay. So already we know the syntax. So here I am giving one example program. So how to generate the raising error. So here one variable I am creating, that is age. Age is equals to int input, enter your age, enter your age. So first of all we need to enter that age. So then I am writing one condition. So my condition is that it eliminates the negative numbers. So here the age is a variable. It may accept positive values and negative values. In the case of negative values, I should generate the error and I should continue for further execution. So to eliminate, to ignore negative numbers, I should raise raising exception. So how to raise? So in this condition, I am raising that negative situation if age less than 0. If age less than 0. So whenever the age is less than 0 means age is negative, I should generate the error. So how to generate the error? So we have the syntax. So we should use the keyword raise initially. So raise. So next type of error we should mention. So exception type means error type. So different errors are we know that. So division error, type error, value error, index error and key error. So what is the chance of error occurrence here? So there is a chance of type error or value error. Okay. So no need of generating zero division. Okay. So next to index error, key error, file or code, encoding errors are not. No errors will generate here. So here I am continuing with the value error. Value error. Next error message. So it is optional. So error detected. Error detected. So in the place of error detected, we can place negative values not allowed. Negative values not allowed for the age. Age is not a negative number. So that is why I am generating the error. So negative values are not allowed. So this may be used. So this is just error message. So by this, like this, we can generate the raising errors. So then after raising error, we need to accept it. So how to accept the error? We should use this flow of exception. So here we should use try. So error is raised. Then we need to accept that. So by using what keyword? Accept. So accept keyword will be used. So which type of error we are accepting? So value. So after the keyword accept, we need to place value error as a type of error. I am going to accept. Okay. So here I am assigning that error message to short name, that is the alias E. Okay, now the value error, type of error will be stored in a E. So here continue blocks may or may not be exist. So else or finally are the optional blocks. So if you have further code, we can use that further code in a else block or finally block. So simply I want to close here itself. So just by using print statement. So print. So I should know whether this error is accepted or not. So by using print statement. So here error. So what is that error? E. So the actual error is stored here. So E. So that error can be displayed on the output. So by using the print message. So like this, we can raise the error by using the keyboard, and also we can allow the exceptions. So by using try and accept in the similar way else block and finally block. Okay. So I think you understand. Okay. Thank you.